Making fresh juice at home is one of the easiest ways to enjoy something healthy and refreshing. Whether you're new to juicing or just want a better machine, I have listed the best 5 juicers that work well in any kitchen. These juicers are easy to use, clean, and give you great results without much effort. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Omega Juicer. This is the best choice for versatility, making it great for users who want to go beyond just fruit and vegetable juices. Not only can it handle basic juicing tasks, but it also allows you to prepare nut milks, sorbets, and even ice cream. It features a large 68-ounce capacity, so you can juice large quantities at once with minimal prep, thanks to the ability to process whole produce. The auto-reversing auger detects pressure and switches directions for smooth operation and to prevent clogs. One of the standout features is the 60-second memory, which remembers your last used setting, making batch juicing quicker and more intuitive. Assembly is also simplified with fewer parts and no complex juicing screens to clean. Although it has a lower wattage of 150 watts, the design is highly efficient for cold press style juicing. Its sturdy build and multipurpose features make it an ideal pick for those who want more than just basic juice from their machine. If you're after a reliable, multifunctional juicer that makes everything from green juice to almond milk, this is a solid investment. Number 4. Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. This is best for compact kitchens or for people who are short on counter space. With a weight of only 4.5 pounds, it's one of the lightest and most space-saving juicers out there, perfect for apartments, dorms, or those who juice occasionally. Despite its small size, the 400-watt motor delivers enough power to extract juice efficiently. It comes with a 2-inch feed chute, reducing the need for excessive chopping. You can juice directly into a 16-ounce to-go cup, making it incredibly convenient for busy mornings or quick post-workout drinks. Cleaning is also simple. Most parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the silicone spout cap helps prevent spills or drips. If you're new to juicing or want something affordable and efficient without compromising quality, this is a smart option. It might not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but for someone looking for portability, ease, and efficiency in a compact design, this juicer delivers more than expected. Number 3. Ninja NeverClog. This is the best juicer for pulp customization and everyday home use. It features total pulp control with 2 swappable filters, allowing users to choose between less or more pulp depending on their taste preferences. What makes this model especially handy is its reverse function, which works together with its high-torque motor to handle tough ingredients without clogging. It's built to juice continuously and is very beginner-friendly with its 2 one-touch programs, start/stop and reverse. The anti-drip lever ensures mess-free operation, and its compact size means you won't struggle with storage. It's lightweight, yet it delivers solid performance, especially for soft and medium-hard fruits and vegetables. If you enjoy fresh juice and like having more say in how your juice turns out, this is a great mid-range pick. It's easy to clean, has dishwasher-safe parts, and offers excellent value for daily juicing needs with minimal hassle. Number 2. Breville Juice Fountain XL Pro. This one takes the crown as the best for power and speed, especially for those who juice frequently or in large quantities. With a massive 1,200-watt motor, this juicer can handle anything from soft fruits to hard vegetables like carrots and beets with ease. Its 3.5-inch wide chute minimizes prep time by allowing whole fruits to be inserted directly. Plus, the cold spin technology ensures nutrients stay intact while extracting juice quickly and efficiently. If you're worried about cleanup, Breville's well-thought-out design reduces mess with a special no-drip nozzle. For those needing higher volume, the 70-ounce juice jug and 115-ounce pulp bin are perfect for back-to-back juicing sessions. Whether you're juicing for your family or preparing multiple servings, the XL Pro ensures a smooth, continuous experience with fewer interruptions. With variable speed settings, commercial-grade durability, and easy-to-clean parts, this juicer is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about juicing. It's a bit heavier and more powerful, making it better suited for dedicated kitchen counter space. Number 1. Huram H320. This one earns the top spot as the best overall juicer for every kitchen. What makes it stand out is its balance of convenience, performance, and quality. It's designed with a self-feeding hopper that allows whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without pre-cutting, saving you time and effort. Whether you're juicing apples or leafy greens, it handles everything with ease. Its slow squeeze technology extracts maximum juice while minimizing oxidation, meaning your juice stays fresh for up to 72 hours. Unlike many other models, it gives you control over pulp content with its control lever and dual strainers. So, whether you like your juice smooth or with some texture, you're covered. Another great feature is the quiet motor, making it ideal for early risers or households where noise is a concern. And despite its advanced features, it's surprisingly easy to assemble and clean, which makes it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and user-friendly juicer that does it all, this is the one to go for. Fresh juice has never been this easy or enjoyable. These top 5 juicers are perfect for every kitchen, whether you're into green detox blends or morning orange juice. With the right juicer, healthy living becomes a habit, not a hassle. To get the best deals on any of the juicers featured in this video, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow juice lovers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.